Welcome back, landlords. We're talking about precincts today and the proper precinct for your eviction filing. Most people don't know the boundaries of any given county and where precinct 1 ends and 2 begins, or 3 or 4 or 5. And depending on the county where you live, you're likely associated with multiple county precincts. And so which one's the best one for you? Well, let's talk about what is required for an eviction filing. So your precinct is the precinct not where you reside, it's the precinct where the rental property is located. And so if you want to file an eviction appeal, you need to file it in the proper precinct. But you may not know where that precinct is, or where your property is located in terms of the precinct boundary. So one really easy thing that we use all the time is a county website. So for Harris County, there is a county website where I go all the time to make this determination. You put in the street number, the street name, and the zip code, and bada bing, bada boom, it gives you all the county information associated with that property address. So if you want this link, look below. You'll see below this video there is a link connecting you to my website. That link's always there. But there's a secondary link for this particular video that goes right to the Harris County site where you can look up precinct information. So you have identified the precinct because you know the property address, and you've punched that in and you've figured it out. Well, some people are not real computer savvy, and I say look at the link and they have no idea what I'm talking about. And so for them it might be easier to go a bit old school. And so for those of you who don't know what a link is or how to click it, call your local justice of the peace and ask for the civil department. You can ask them by giving them the address. You say, you know what, I want to evict somebody, and I'm pretty sure they're located in your precinct. I just want to confirm it. And so you rattle off the address to them, and they'll either say, yep, you're right, this is the proper precinct, or oh no, this is actually in precinct whatever. Which is helpful for you because they've just told you the proper precinct where it should be filed. So what happens if you do file in the wrong precinct? Well, number one, a judgment cannot issue from that filing, and so your case is going to be dismissed, and you will have wasted time and money. And so, in order not to delay any further, it's a simple phone call. It's an even simpler click, but that's maybe not for you. And so, determine the proper precinct by, again, getting on the phone or by clicking the link, and that's going to help you a lot. So in bigger counties, you have actually options. So specifically in Harris County, there are 16 justice courts, but there are only 8 precincts. And the way it works in Harris County as of this year, those 8 precincts are each broken into 2 places. So for example, precinct 1 has place 1 and place 2. And so those are 2 different judges. And so let's just say you've had a lot of bad luck in precinct 1, place 2. And you want to check out precinct 1, place 1. Totally legal, totally allowed. So the rule is you have to file in the proper precinct, but it doesn't matter which of the 2 places you choose. Either of the justice courts will hear your case as long as it is properly located within that precinct. So confirm it, and then if you've got the option to choose between one court or the other, sometimes it's a matter of geographical convenience. Sometimes it's a matter of choosing a judge that maybe rules more easily in your favor. And so if that's an option that you have, you are free to take it. If not, Sorry. Anyway, happy leasing. Bye. So send me your questions. If you've got questions about landlord-tenant law and there's something you're a little shaky on or something you just need a little clarification, post something in our Facebook group. Shoot me an email at ernie.garcia@attorneyeg.com. It's right there. Or post something in our Facebook group. If you're not a member yet, join our Facebook group. We look forward to you. If you look on Facebook, we are Texas Landlords. Finally, if you want to call, that's our number. Feel free to call us, and we'll be happy to help in any way that we can. And so keep your questions coming. I'm happy to answer as many questions as I can.